this video we are custom painting Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 gas tank. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, we are back again with another video. In this video we are transforming a gas tank from Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 motorcycle. So we're going to start with stripping the old paint from the gas tank. And to do so we using paint remover. We will make sure to apply the paint remover properly onto the painted gas tank. After application of paint remover, we leave the gas tank for 15 to 20 minutes and let reaction take place on the paint. Further, we will remove the paint with the help of scraping strip from the gas tank. Sand it down to the bare metal surface. Surface of the gas tank is now ready for the second step, that is primer application. We will apply 2 to 3 coats of the primer to make the surface super even. After application on primer, we will apply the base color, that is berry red. We will apply 3 to 4 coats for the best covering of the paint over the primered surface of the gas tank. Now we have started putting on the stencils of the design one by one. After then we will paint over the left out area so we can achieve the desired design pattern on the gas tank surface. To achieve the best impression of design, we have applied various coats of colors. We are making colorful Tibetan prayer flag knotted with a thread.
As per the demand of the client, we are making the suggested design pattern of the bike touring company. Theme-based logo design. That is going to totally handcrafted. we are going to add some black to the design. After airbrushing, we're going to remove the masking from the design. While removing the masking and stencil, we will make sure that we don't remove any edge of the paint design. So here is the look of the tank with design on it. Now we will take it further to next process of clear coating. We will apply 3 to 4 coats of clear to gas tank for best gloss and finish. After the clear coat is dried, we will sand down the uneven areas with fine grit sandpaper. After the sanding is done, now we will rub the surface with rubbing compound and then with diamond cut compound to get super glossy and sleek surface of the gas tank. So here is our final finished gas tank that will go on the motorcycle.